Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step on how to create and customize your Facebook shop so you can start selling your product directly on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Facebook Commerce Manager. You can search it directly or go to the facebook.com Commerce Manager and click on Get Started. Then choose where you want your customer to check out. If it's check out on Facebook or Instagram, check out on your website or check out via messaging. Then after that, select your business page. This is where the shop will be connected. Fill out the business information such as the business name, email, and address and agree to the Facebook seller agreement and click Finish Setup. And to add a product to your shop, in the Commerce Manager, go to Catalog, then click the items and now you can add items. You can add products manually or upload multiple items using a spreadsheet or data feed. And here you can also customize your shop. You can select Manage Shop and or Shop tab and customize your shop's layout, create product collection, arrange the featured, and add cover photo. Then after that, you can now, once you've added the products or customize your layout, can click Publish Shop and your Facebook shop will now live and set and ready for customers. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized your Facebook shop. If you found this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.